Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the features of the Pond Aerator Weatherproof Outdoor Cabinet, a robust solution designed to protect and enhance your aeration system. Crafted from high-quality galvanized steel, this cabinet measures 20.8 inches in width, 16.9 inches in depth, and 20.8 inches in height, providing ample internal space for easy installation and efficient heat dissipation. It's perfectly suited for most aeration systems, ensuring optimal deep water oxygen circulation for your water garden. The cabinet features a convenient double-side intake air filter with a high-density sponge and a waterproof grille, promoting excellent heat dissipation. Installation is a breeze with the pre-wired outlet included inside, powering both the compressor and the cooling fan seamlessly. Built to withstand the elements, this weatherproof outdoor cabinet offers durable protection against rain, snow, and sun exposure, ensuring your aerator remains in top condition. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to safeguard your pond aeration system, this cabinet is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.